locally a bit hesitant when it comes to
with live reports from developing stores. Meteorologist. This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes. Is only a test. Broadcast system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the
Gets you back to the hit.
cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual
Salvation.
system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Okay, so there you guys have it. That is the FEMA national alert system that they had a couple years back as well. This broadcasts on all national radio stations there, local, but that was held throughout the nation just now on many radio stations there. So, yeah, that's interesting that they do that. I guess it's good to alert the people if something should happen there. So once again, that was the FEMA National Alert System that they just had on all radio stations. And that's it. No copyright infringement